Welcome to our new course on column base plate design with and without stiffener plates. In this course, I will explain the full and detailed process of base plate design considering different loading conditions applied on the base plate through the column. As per my experience in industry, I realized that the design of base plates with stiffeners is still confusing for many engineers. Also, there are not too many software available to do this design, and as a result, engineers will have to spend so much time on doing finite element analysis. For these reasons, I have decided to create this course to explain the hand calculation process for base plates with stiffeners. And even if you want to use a software instead, to be a good structural engineer, you need to understand the underlying theory. To give you a little background about myself, I am a professional engineer working in Australia with more than 7 years of national and international experience and have a solid knowledge of Australian industry and relevant standards. I also have a PhD in structural engineering, and because of my passion for education and teaching, I have also worked as university lecturer in the past. I am committed to provide contents that can fill the gap between academia and industry by providing the practical courses. For this reason, I have created this course to give you the skills required to design a base plate for different loading conditions and stress distributions under the base plate. My general approach in this course is to explain some practical points of base plate and stiffener design and the reason behind using stiffener plates. Also, I will explain about cone failure and some basics of anchor bolt design, minimum edge distance, and minimum embedment length required for these bolts. I will also explain in detail about different stress distribution we might have under the base plate and how do we check the base plate for each condition. Also, I will explain how we can check the thickness of base plate with and without stiffeners and how we can check the stiffeners as well. Finally, we will have a work example of a real-life design of a base plate with and without stiffeners. This course can be beneficial for structural engineering students, civil engineering students, graduate engineers, and structural engineers ranging from beginners to intermediate level who would like to refresh their knowledge on base plate design. By the end of this course, you will learn about the fundamentals and detailed process of designing a base plate with and without stiffeners. My goal is to add value to my students by conveying my professional and practical experience, as well as explaining the theoretical concept behind the design. So please do not hesitate to ask if you have any questions through the message box here or any other social media links which are provided in our page. Also, you will have lifetime access to the course, which means you will receive all the future updates and additions free of charge. Thanks for watching and hope to see you inside the course.